Hello and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Today I'm going to show you how I make my diced potatoes from a can. So first thing you'll do is you will open your can. Now once you open your can of diced potatoes, you can either put the entire contents of that can in your pot, or you can rinse out the water that's in that can and add your own water. Now what you'll want to do is add about a tablespoon of butter. I added a little more because I just wanted to finish out that stick. I'm adding pepper and salt to my potatoes. This is optional. You do not have to do this. So now what you want to do is put your pot on a stove eye and turn that eye on high. Once your potatoes begin to boil, you will want to turn your stove eye down to a medium low until most of the water from your pot has evaporated. Once your potatoes have finished cooking, you will notice that you have a nice buttery creamy sauce with your potatoes. I hope you enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. If you did, please click that thumbs up button and please do consider subscribing to this channel if you don't want to miss out on any of our upcoming recipes. And don't forget to hit that bell notification. See you next time. Bye bye now.